be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down. Let me down.
Chegou a hora, solta o som. Chegou a hora, solta o som.
I've been running out of energy, telling all your friends you don't wanna be a friend of me. You making up lies, why am I getting all the penalties? I wanna talk about this, but they're talking to an enemy. I've been broken down like my food in my stomach, hating these feelings, but act like I love it. I don't wanna cheat, nah, I want fair play. I don't wanna crash land like an airplane. I want you back, but when you act like that, like a one-sided talk, you don't call me back. Yeah, times were hard, and when you left, they got harder. My bed got colder, and my room got darker. I'm still in love, I know, so are you. Well, I pray for the rain when our skies were blue. I'm still in love, I know, so are you. Let's talk tonight and we can talk it through. I see dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to light a rising in my eyes. I reach the sky. Tell me if I'm lost in all the days it took. I get all I had without a second look, and I need breathing room. If I don't see you soon, I think I'll die inside. I blame it all on you. I think I'm gone for good. It happened faster than it should, and now it's upside down. I must have misunderstood, but I still wish you were here, and maybe one day you will. And while I wait for you, pop another pill. Black long sleeve, I can see you're freezing. You know I'll stop your bleeding. Let's not make this hard. Let's just hit restart. Messed up badly, how this all happened. This world's a mess, so please don't leave us stranded. I'm swimming in the ocean of fear, back where I started, no closer each year. I fade, and maybe I'll start to disappear as I cope with these emotions. I don't wanna get closer. I see dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to idolize it in my eyes. I reach the sky. Dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to idolize it in my eyes. I reach the sky.
Sometimes I'm alright, sometimes I don't know. Watching time fly makes me feel old. Sometimes you move up, sometimes you lose track. But all the ups and downs that life has got me coming right back. You got your ups and your downs, confident to clown. You could feel left out of your own damn house. Be on top of the world, kissing on a girl. So nervous you can feel what it means to be real. You can need your own space, get your own place, but feel so alone when nobody wants to stay. You could finally fall in love, you fit just like a glove, then find out you're not enough, no. Sometimes I'm alright, sometimes I don't know. Watching time fly makes me feel old. Sometimes when I'm high, my mind is so low, wondering why my room is so cold. Sometimes I'm in love, sometimes I fall fast, losing my trust, run from my past. Sometimes you move up, sometimes you lose track. But all the ups and downs that life has got me coming right back.
Chegou a hora, solta o som. chegava só de som.
And I don't understand where I want to go. Looking like I'm feeling high, but I'm still so low. Wish I understood why I am so alone. Got no one to trust, I'm just standing on my own 2 feet. And all these secrets that I keep, wish I could just fall in love, wish I could just fall asleep. Think that I've been hurt enough by some friends I didn't need. As I sit up on this bluff and I smoke a little weed, cause everything doesn't feel the same to me. I'm patiently waiting for the pain to seep out of my skin and into someone gracefully. And maybe then you could finally get a taste of me. Got no friends, cause they become so fake when you make a statement and the world engages. And I spend all of my time making something that I hope could finally make some changes. Oh.